Welcome to my vlog! Welcome to the Renovations 2026. More viewers, more bashers, welcome! La 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 la. How's that taste? Don't dance, Beatrice. It's a peach from the tree. So guys, we are here sa bedroom ni Bea.
That's a lot of cactus.
And she's watching, what are you watching, baby? About? She's watching about myth and realistic
Physics. In Minecraft.
So yun, absent yung bata, hindi namin natin sa school. Tapos naman yung exam eh. Di ba, Bea? No? We don't need to go to school. Bukas kasi. Kasi mainit ngayon. Guys, biglang nadilim. Nagkulog-kulog. Yun. Tingnan nyo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Ay, labas pala. Hindi pala loob. Labas pala. Tingnan gano'n kadilim. Wait lang. Yan. Medyo madilim. Summer yan guys ha. Summer. Ngayon guys, titingnan natin, magluluto tayo ng Filipino food. Siyempre, Filipino food. So, tanghon, lagyan natin ng itlog, and then chicken. So, tanghon soup. Tapos, magluluto tayo ng, ito yung imimix ko. Ito yung tanghon soup. Nagluto na ako ng rice. Tapos, ito, yung chicken. Minarinate ko na. Yan. Yung mga na to. Na marinate na sa alam mo, talaga, na kumukulog. Summer, pinakamainit today supposedly, Tapos yun, hindi namin napasok kasi kahapon daw, sabi niya, she was sweating inside the room na ang forecast lang naman yesterday was 26. Today the forecast is 29, so aabot yun ng mga 30 plus. So, tapos biglang kumulog-kulog, bahala sila dyan. Tapos naman exam ng bata eh. Anyway, yeah. So, yun yung lulutuin ko. Yun yung lulutuin natin para sa aking Filipino-Portuguese family. I don't know why she's running now.
Why are you cooking there?
What do you want? Come on here. Come on here, Mom. Why?
I cannot eat snacks, right?
It's already 12. We'll cook na. Kain pa ng snacks.
Wow.
Alam niyo, may sinabi sa akin tong batang to. Last time. Gusto niya magpa-install ng Minecraft. Tapos, hindi namin kaya i-install. Alam mo ba yung sulat sa akin? Saan ba yung sulat niya? Aba, nag-love letter sa akin yung bata na yan. Alam niyo kung anong sulat niya? Ito, oh. Tingnan niyo kung anong sulat ng bata. Sabi niya, crafting and building. Please daw i-install or else I'll not join your videos. Kasi kagi siya na-join the videos ko. Alam mo naman, saan ka nakuha yung idea na yan? Yun, crafting and building pala eh. Hindi pala Minecraft. Beatrice, you say crafting and building. So, Minecraft is crafting and building? Minecraft is the same like crafting and building?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah? Because
The mobs are different, but they have the same name.
so which one is better?
And the Minecraft that I have,
The Minecraft that you
the
have?
Java edition.
You want the other one? Which one? What is the other one?
I like the Java edition only.
But no. What is the other one? I will ask Papa.
Bedrock.
Bedrock?
But I don't want the Bedrock.
Why you don't want Bedrock?
Scaffolding actually is a good block to use.
You say you like it because it's better. You like it? I will ask Papa.
Hey,
No, don't ask.
Why?
scaffold.
Don't ask, Mama. Just there's a lot of chips.
Malaki na yun, no? Di ba? So, yun nga, yung nangyari. So, magluluto na tayo. Dahil susi na ako ay nag-edit ng videos. So, medyo natagalan tayo. So, guys, pakita ko pala sa inyo. Meron tayo dito ang fruits. Kasi kanina, pumunta na yung asawa ko sa kanila. Ayun. Pinadalahan tayo ng manok. Ito actually, guys, galing to sa puno nila. So, yun. Mama niya lang nag-harvest today kasi hindi ako pumunta doon. So, ito yun. This is peach. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yung laman nito, Yung fresh na peach. Actually, paborito to ng nanay at tatay ko. Palagi sila bumibili ito sa Pilipinas, pero nakakan na. So, ito pakita ko sa inyo what's inside. Medyo mabolo. Hindi na mabolo. Fruits, Pilipinas, na medyo may hairy-hairy siya. So, ganun din siya. Same siya sa mabolo. Uy, not good inside. There's a bit of, may, tanggalin na lang natin. Okay, I will not eat it. There's a lot of worms. Ito yung advantage dito. Yung mga fruits na mahal sa atin, dito, libre lang. So, let's try. Cheers. Madami siya. Hindi ko makain. May worm na. Yun. So, I'll put this in the tray. Palutuin na muna natin. Pero ito may mga butas-butas. May worm na to. So, yan. It's a peach from the tree. So, guys, we're gonna start making our sotanghon. And we're gonna fry first also our chicken. Paris ng sotanghon natin. So, we have here konting cabbage. That's it na.
What is it, Mama?
That's it. Oh, very good na. Oh, dancing. Sige ka muna. That's it na. That's ano. You think you will like it? The sotanghon? The glass noodles? Yeah? You try. You want soup plate? Oy, you want soup plate?
Yeah.
So guys, dito, pag may soup plate yung gagamitin. We have a soup plate here. Para sa ating
Mom, you can
sotanghon.
see me?
Of course, you're dancing. So guys, let's eat. How are you, Beatrice? That's sotanghon. So guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Drinks. Ang cute. Ang cute ng drinks. Oh, binili ito ng asawa ko. Actually,
Lemon.
this is lemon. Lemon flavor. 98 ml only. Pero, dati, masim yung sakmura ko. Pero pag mainit na ganito, sarap inom.
Only the rich and famous drink that.
From Italy.
Rishi.
Scoop tayo guys ng...
Yeah.
How, Beatrice, how's the... Are you there? I cannot see. How's the taste? Don't dance, Beatrice. How's the taste?
That's chicken.
Yeah, it's original Italian.
How's the glass noodles? Chicken glass noodles.
It is.
No, very good.
Do you like it, guys? Actually, matagal ko na ito niluluto dito. And Beatrice is looking forward to it. Masarap naman talaga.
Nutella.
Kaya,
In Europe normally, so it's good.
this is Asian. Sometime to time, Lidl has this product.
Yes. I have that few.
Masarap. Sarap, no? Beatrice, you like it, no? The glass noodles? It's nice.
I want to put it on my window
It's a good now, but unfortunately I cannot drink.
so I can have a yummy window.
It's good, actually, guys. So this is the noodles. Let's eat. Oh, let's eat, guys.
So, that's very.
It's good.
Napili sa food. So, kain na muna kami. So, guys, we're going to the zoo. Zoo. Beatrice is having her snacks. So, we're going to make the bedroom of Beatrice. What is important is how comfortable our life here inside the house. So, that's why we're going to make her bedroom more. Yeah. Dahil summer na naman, we're going to make something in this house again. So, welcome to the renovations 2026. So, Bea, how are you doing, girl? My little girl? She's doing good because she's eating her favorite snacks, the paprika from Pringles. So, yan. Grabe, ang init sa labas. Outside is 30 degrees. Inside the house is 22 degrees. So, ganito, yung mga gap. Ano natin yan, guys? Takpan natin yung mga gap na hindi ko nagawa. Yan. So, and I have to do something more sa bahay na ito. Oh, yung mukha ng nagpapanday. So, guys, I'm doing it partially. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ko. Ito yung wall, ano na to, yung edge na yan. Ito, ginawa namin to. Wala pa akong experience sa paggawa ng ceiling. So, kaya ganyan yan. Ang daming, how do you call that? Because I bought actually a clip, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko doon. So, anyway, this is the one that I'm doing right now. This one, ako din gumawa nito. This is only, it looks good, but we don't spend so much for that. That is only €1 plus before when I bought this one. This wood itself, mura lang yan. So, kung makikita nito, we don't spend so much dahil we don't spend money for the labor. So, anyway, this is what I have done today. Ganito. So, nakikita nyo, may gap. Oh, makikita nyo, may gap. Hindi ko pa kasi nilagyan dati yan. So, this one has a gap here. So, ang ginawa ko, I have to fill it up para walang hangin na pumasok dito pag winter. Kasi ganyan. From the roof, may hangin na pumapasok. So, I'm going to make this. And also, I'm going to improve the ceiling. May lalagay ako doon. So, it will be soundproof. So, ganyan. At saka, ito kasi ginawa ko last time. Minadali ko lang ito because it was winter already. So, ito. May mga gap siya, diba? Yun. Sa pagkat ko ng tile, lalagyan ko yan ng semento. This one. So, may mga gap siya. Actually, hindi to align kasi nilagay ko talaga sa baba yung tile. So, hindi siya pantay. So, I will make this. Hindi ko pa siya talaga natapos. From this to, may mga hindi ko nalagyan ng white na ganito. Ito. Yan. Hindi ko nilagyan yan. So, I have to make it also. I will finish it today. Together with this one. Yung mga gap sa gilid. So, yun yung gagawin ko. We are trying to enhance this room and our house para magiging yung sa winter. Hindi tayo lalamigin. Hindi naman malamig kasi may heater kami dyan, guys. Every room we have a heater para maganda tingnan. Tsaka for convenient on winter. Yan. Puro tayo show off. Tapos pag winter, sobrang lamig sa loob ng bahay. Diyos ko, Rudy. Beatrice? Yeah, did you drink enough water? Yeah? Beatrice, I'm still doing there in your room.
Okay.
Just sit down in the living room, please. Thank you. So, yun. Hindi pa rin nagawa-gawa tayo yung pagkananay natin dyan palagi. So, presence of mind with your daughter. So, anyway, guys, we'll continue my work. La 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 la. I don't know what time I started, but it's 4:25, 35. At natapos na natin, guys. Kasi lasing ko magluluto na ako ng ating hapunan. So, yung mga butas-butas dito na dati hindi ko nagawa, tinapos ko na. And lahat dito ng mga ganyan, yan, tinakpan ko na din. Tsaka ito yung sa gilid, guys, yung tinakpan ko, yan, sa corner. At saka pinalitan ko yung ribs dito sa baba. Yan, dito covered na siya lahat. And doon sa taas, yan, wala ka nang makikitang butas. Malaki na butas. Focus. Yan. Dati may butas yan dyan sa ceiling. Wala ka nang makikitang butas na yun. So, yan. Ito corner nila. Yan. Yan natin. Yan yung ganyan. Dati may butas yan dyan. Inalign na natin sa wall. So, ganyan. Tapos na natin. Ito kasi last time, may medyo butas-butas dito si Beatrice. Inaano niya. Yan. Okay na lahat. So, ito yung first na project natin. Yung sweating. Dahil we are working.